Another Epicflows Production.
Right now, with the main man, you know.
You know it's Radical Epic.
Radical Epic. It's epic out here. It's in Leash in Big Bad Boy, Jamaica, you know. Kingston! Yes! Yes.
Leash out here in Jamaica.
Whoa! Like that! But the backstory of Lady Leshurr right now in Jamaica, Kingston. You don't know? Oh yeah. Listen, I come through with it up like Trayvon, all blacked out like Akon. I'ma come to your door like Avon and make you give me them notes like Trey songs. So you wanna play? Cool, game on. Everything's cool, pay phone. I told you to change your panties, so why you still wearing the same ones? And I couldn't care less what they say about me. Only the real can stay around me. I hope my ex will pray about me. Yeah, I don't do card no more, so PayPal me. What's that say about me? I'm like, no, they don't show no appreciation. No, so I keep it short like abbreviation. No, all these girls are really hating. But their lips look like crispy bacon. I'm dead. Crispy!
Another Epicflows Production.